So, what is ServiceNow? ServiceNow is a software company or platform that provides a cloud-based AI-driven platform for automating multiple management workflows in enterprises. The company specializes in IT service management, IT operations management, and IT business management. Founded in 2004, ServiceNow offers intelligent, cloud-based platform and tools for automating, managing, and optimizing many enterprise processes, including the following: IT services management, customer service management, IT operations management, HR service delivery, and much more. I've seen the ServiceNow be used by many customers, as you can see over entity data, and a lot of customers using it. And it is used for ticketing system, automation process, so it's integrated with the things like GitHub, Azure, AWS, and any platform you can think of. So without further ado, let's get started with the ServiceNow. The good thing is ServiceNow offers a developer instance, so personal developer instance called the PDI, so you can start testing without paying for it. So you can get to know what ServiceNow does, and then that can be your playground. So to get started with the ServiceNow developer instance, you visit developer.servicenow.com. And here's the page. You can watch the video to get a little familiar what it does, etc. But to get started, really, you have to click this button here. But note that any web page you can change. So whenever you visit the page, the location or the link and the layout can be different. For right now, I think you can just click to sign up and start building. So you have to fill out the information here, and then you have to fill out the form. And so once you fill it out, you will get the verification email. So just verify through that, and then you will get the instance. So pretty simple, right? And then in the next section, I kind of walk through what it looks like with the ServiceNow instance I created, or the ServiceNow created for me, and then kind of walk through the layout and things like that. So when you start ServiceNow instance first time, or whenever you log in, it's kind of like dedicated with the pool. Like different type of pool is kind of there's a pool where the instance gets spin out, and if there are other people using it, you're basically they're using up from the pool. So because of that, when you start first time, or whenever you start to wake up or whatever, it has to be free up, meaning that if it's other people using it, it has to be created, and then so it would be until they get created, you have to kind of wait for it. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, and then I will just load it and to see it. But there are also you can go through the tutorial and the other things, and there are a lot of resources you can find from here. So let's wait for a minute, and then let's try to check, and then we can go from there. Okay, finally, we can start with building it. So finally it shows up as a start building button here. So I'm going to click that. And this instance you can keep it for a while, but note that it can be deprecated or sunset, and then you're given with a new instance. So this is called App Engine Studio, as you can see. This can be like administration portal. You can build a new app through that Let's Go option here. But a lot of things what you will do is that you will have to configure through the different options. The good thing is that even after you get a new instance, you will get whatever, if you install any plugin, those things will come with it. So one other video I'm going to prepare for is integration with the GitHub app. So it can be pulling repositories and other resources from GitHub. And for that, I install something called ServiceNow DevOps. So hopefully we can park that for another video next time. But just note that this is a new instance, and then it's some things that you remember for me, like the options, the menus, and what I open. It's kind of still remember, which is good. So I can go to administrator interface and then do different things there, and there's workspaces. So I also install DevOps Insight, so I can see what is in there, favorite history and things like that. So if you want to build an app, you can click the app button there, and then you can see that it remember what I created earlier. So there's my apps and template and the resources. So a lot of things are coming to documentation that you can learn from that. So which is pretty intuitive and nice. So that's, I think, pretty much it for all the things I want to show for this video. But for next time, I will show you how you can integrate this ServiceNow with the GitHub through the GitHub app, and then with the DevOps integration coming with the additional plugin you can install on top of ServiceNow. So that's it for now, and then see you next time. Bye bye.